A 2024 Range Rover Discovery Sport. I believe it's also considered to be an SE 250. A client has been driving it a few months at least, and started realizing that there was some, damage occurring from rock chips and some other instances, and decided, it was time to have the car protected before things got worse. So it was brought in, definitely needed a paint correction. As beautiful as the paint looks now, a lot of water spots and other issues going on. So the paint correction was done, and then we did Xpel ppf on the entire front end. So the hood, fenders, bumper, side mirror, and then we did ceramic coating on top of the film and the rest of the paint. As you can tell here, when you look at all the edges of the film, there's no film to be seen anywhere. Everything is wrapped around. We also did 70% ceramic window tint on the windshield only. They did not want any tint on the front side windows, so that was left alone. But yeah, the car now is protected. There were some issues here. For instance, there were some scrapes already in the doors that I was able to polish out. A deeper scratch right there, another one or another couple right here, those were taken out, and the car looks amazing again. I had promised the owners that when they come to pick it up, even though it's not an old car yet, I told them if you don't have the reaction of, oh my god, this looks amazing, then I have not done my job. Beautiful metallic paint, as you can tell. You see the metallic right there. And this is just a daily. Also carries a large dog, so all the more reason to properly protect it. The inside absolutely needed a thorough cleaning as well. Like I said, a very large dog is being transported in this vehicle. But everything looks proper now. Another thing to point out, because I get the question often, if I do PPF on part of the car, will I be able to tell the difference between PPF and just regular paint? And so this has PPF and ceramic coating, of course, and this is just paint and ceramic coating. And besides me just putting smudges there, you can't tell the difference. That's film and that's paint. But it's ready to go. They should be coming to pick it up today. And hopefully they will be another set of satisfied customers, and hopefully send friends and family this way, because that's where all of our work comes from.